This IFS meditation is to check in on the parts of you that are active right now so that you can deepen your practice and your connection with your parts. You can find a comfortable position and close your eyes and take a few deep breaths just to connect with this moment right here and right now. Gently bringing your attention to the inside. And gently noticing your intention of being there for your parts, of connecting to them. And you can either invite the parts of you that might want to be seen and heard, or notice what is present in your body right now. You might want to bring your attention to any bodily sensation that is especially present right now, like tension, a vibration, a tingling, a tightening. You might want to notice whether there are any thoughts that are especially present or loud. Whether there might be other thoughts that are just a whisper and you might barely notice in the busyness of your life. You might notice any images that are just there, waiting for you to notice them. And whether there is just one part of you in the form and shape of a bodily sensation, thought, or image, or many, just see if that's okay to just be there for all of them. To be a container for all of them, to be open and welcoming and present for all of them. Breathing into your system this sense of presence. Your willingness to be there for any part that might be active right now or that might need your attention. And in doing so, you can notice whether your heart feels open. You can notice how much space you can feel in your system. You can notice whether there's a feeling of open presence and curiosity, or whether there's a feeling of judgmentality, of concern, of worrying, of skepticism. And welcome all of those feelings as well. Just letting them know it's okay that they're there. And that you're making space for them to be there as well. Because you can contain them all. You are that spacious inside. Now welcome any of the parts that you noticed to share with you anything they might want you to know about them. And welcome any thought, image, sensation, or emotion that is communicated to you right now. If anything feels like too much, then just gently show this part that for you to be there with it, you need that emotion, sensation, or message to be less intense. And you can show that part exactly what amount is okay for you to be with. Show these parts that you're there for them, that they're not alone in whatever they're doing for you or for whatever emotion they're holding in you. And offer your presence, your attention, your curiosity, your compassion to the parts of you that are present right now. And notice if they can receive them. Notice if they can see you there with them. and notice whether they cannot see you and feel you because they are too busy with their jobs or too far away down in the system. Or whether they are concerned about your presence. Whether they don't trust you. Or whether they can receive your presence there and find comfort in that. And once again, just invite any part who needs to share anything with you to speak up, to share with you what they need from you the most right now. And reassure these parts that you're going to be back to check on them, to be there for them, to see them and feel them and hear their needs. Show them it's okay. It might take time to trust you to be there. And take all the time that you need to say goodbye to your parts. Notice again your surrounding and come back to the reality of your environment.